Mheshimiwa Besigye, a man we love and respect. Your dreams are as valid as our dreams. Keep fighting for Uganda. We know what the issues are. I am so humbled to see my leader and you cry inwardly about the challenges you faced in the opposition. We are also members of the opposition, sir. My brother Okongo Mugeni, I know you have severally asked me to engage with Governor Simba. My leader, Mheshimiwa Raila, has just spoken with me. He wants me to meet with Simba so that we can work together and bring peace in KISII. I promise you, I have no other agenda. I don't even want to be governor. It's a useless job. It is annoying. Everybody calls you a thief. I just want to serve as a Senate where I tell President William of Mama Mata Karua, let me tell you what I wanted to come and tell William Ruto here. Mr. President, how can you sell a pipeline? How can Ruto sell a pipeline where we get our fuel? How can he sell KISII? What is wrong with it? He wants to sell the port of Mombasa. He wants to sell everything that Kenyans were left with by our forefathers. Those who are talking to President William Ruto, tell him to leave KICC, to leave ADC farms, to leave the pipeline, to leave everything he found in our country. Another thing, Your Excellency President, why are you taxing people so much? And then when you have collected the taxes, I'm in the Senate with Okongo Mugeni, my Prime Minister, we don't know how much he has borrowed. He has hit 4.6 trillion shillings in 1 year. Where is the money going? This is the problem we have with the President. Why is he not able? Okay, even we are stupid people, tell our leaders, call Mata Karua, call Raila, call Kalonzo, call Nyaribo, call Simbarati, sit with them and say, this is what I've borrowed and this one I've not stolen. But it looks like everything they are stealing. Thank you so much. Nyasaba sesenie motigare uyambia mono.